green. Okay. In the last class, we have discussed about some of the basic issues related to research, data collection tool, and steps of data analysis. Sorry, before that, since we have a new participant with us, may I request Dr. Uma to present herself so that everybody knows you. Everybody know you. Dr. Uma, could you please?
Thank you, sir. My name is Uma Gaur, and I'm working as senior lecturer in anatomy at Cave Hill campus, Barbados. And I came here 14 years ago, and I got my Master of Surgery degree from India, New Delhi. I'm basically from New Delhi, India, and I came here in 2008. Since then, I'm here. I'm teaching anatomy right now.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very
Anything
much
else?
for joining. No, it's okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
And particularly for joining with us from Barbados. Okay, so do you have any previous experience of using SPSS?
No, not at all.
No, okay.
I just learned mathematics in school. That's all. After that, only biology and then science and MBBS. No, not much. But like analysis results I have used, but never worked on it. How to do it. That's what I wanted to learn.
Okay.
So then I have to depend on somebody.
Okay.
For analysis. And that thank you goes to Dr. Azim Majumdar, who introduced me to this team. Thank you, sir, and everyone on the team as well. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot for involving me.
Thank you very much. Since you have not used SPSS earlier, so everything would be new to you. So if you face any problem, please ask questions, okay?
Yes, please.
We shall try to answer your questions as much as possible.
Thank you so much. And I just tried to read it from the YouTube and all from last week. And I got some idea like what it is.
Okay.
Bit very little, not much.
Okay, no problem. Have you got the soft copy of the book? We have sent you lots of materials.
Yes, I'm just trying to read it because today morning, the time difference, so today morning I started reading. A little bit I have read, not much.
Okay, no, I am not expecting that you will read everything. Just I want to be sure that you have got all the materials from us.
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Okay. So no problem. Whenever you have time, you can go through it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So today we shall discuss how to generate a data file in SPSS. Particularly for Dr. Uma, this is for your information that if we want to use SPSS or any other data analysis program, whatever it may be, Stata, SAS, EPinfo, Python, or whatever it may be, we need to have a data file and the program needs to read that data file to analyze the data. Therefore, we have to develop a data file either in SPSS or in any other program. Nowadays, even we have a data file developed in other programs, it is no problem to transfer it into SPSS or any other data analysis software, data analysis program. However, today we shall see how to develop a data file in SPSS, okay? In SPSS. I have shared with you a questionnaire that I have discussed with you in the last class. And I also requested all of you to collect a few data, 4 to 5 data, even though it is hypothetical. Could you do it? Everybody?
Sorry, sir, I cannot. I was a bit sick for last 4 or 5 days.
Okay, no problem. Do you have the hard copy at your hand?
Yes, sir, I have that.
Okay, that would be very helpful. What about others?
Yes, sir, I have done.
Okay, okay. What about others? Others, so do you have the hard copy?
Yes, sir, we have.
At your hand, because we shall use this questionnaire to develop the data file, okay?
Yeah, we have.
So okay. Dr. Omar, we have shared a small questionnaire with you, and
Yes,
and if you can open it, because you did not have that much time, but if you can open it on your computer, you can just quickly check the questions.
Okay, sir, doing it.
Okay, fine. So if we look at the data file, there are in total 11 questions, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, you said that usually each question is a variable, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
However, sometimes we may have more variables than the number of questions that we have in the questionnaire. Okay? Just remember this point. Am I clear?
Sir, can I ask a question?
Sure.
Uma here. So that's
Sure.
the file which says start with age, male, female,
Correct.
religion,
Correct.
occupation. That's the one? Yes, I got
Correct.
it.
Correct.
On my,
Correct.
thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So in the field of research or statistics, you will find that variable is the most frequently used terminology, or this is the commonest word, variable. Hope everybody knows what is variable.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We know what is variable, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So generally, we can classify variables broadly into 2 categories. One we call categorical or qualitative variable, here this one. One we call categorical or qualitative variable. Another is quantitative variable, okay? So the variables that we have, we can classify them broadly into 2 groups. One is categorical or qualitative. Commonly we use categorical. Another is quantitative variable. Do you know what is the main difference between categorical and quantitative variable? Because we have to understand it very clearly before we go for statistical analysis. So do you know what is the difference between categorical and quantitative variable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please, can you point one important point, only one?
Sir, quantitative variables are continuous variable.
Okay. For example, if I say you, no, I tell you,
okay.
So how many children do you have?
Yes.
Say somebody may say 2, somebody may 3, somebody may 4, like this. So is it a quantitative variable or categorical variable?
Quantitative.
Quantitative.
But is it,
Yes.
Is it continuous?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
How come?
No.
Can you say?
No.
Can you
No.
say you have 3.5 children?
No.
No.
It is discrete.
No, sir.
Just quantitative but discrete.
Yes, it is quantitative but discrete. Quantitative variables again can be classified into two groups. One is discrete, another is continuous. We don't need that. But what is the difference between categorical and quantitative variable?
One can be counted, other one cannot be.
Which one? Which one is counted?
Quantitative.
Okay.
Categorical are
Actually,
fixed variable.
Basically, the primary difference between categorical and quantitative variable is that from quantitative variable, we can calculate the mean. Okay, we can calculate mean, average. But from categorical variable, we cannot calculate the mean. For example, if we say religion, is it a quantitative or categorical variable?
Categorical.
Categorical variable. Okay. So if I say we have 30, we are here in this group, say 30 people, 30 participants are there. So maybe somebody is Muslim, somebody Hindu, somebody Christian, maybe somebody is Buddhist. Okay. So can we calculate the mean religion?
No, sir.
No.
It's not possible. So what do we do with the categorical variables? We only count them, okay? So categorical variables are counted, but we can say, okay, out of these 30 people, say 15 are Muslim, 10 are Hindu, say 5 are Christian. So these are the counts, frequencies, okay? So categorical variables are counted. Quantitative variables can be counted as well as we can also calculate the mean. Okay. For example, say there are 30 people, we can say that, okay, there are 2 persons who is age 25 years. Can we say this?
Yes.
Yeah. So, but still age is a quantitative variable. And we can also say that the mean age of the participants of this course is, say, 25 years, right? Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, we have to understand what is categorical variable and quantitative variable, because our statistical methods depend on the variable types, what type of variables we are dealing with, and the statistics that we shall use subsequently depends on the type of variable. Therefore, we need to be very clear about the type of variables that we have in our data set. Okay. Now, if I look at my questionnaire, can you tell me what are the quantitative variables in this questionnaire? Age, very good.
Monthly income.
Monthly income, very good.
Body weight, height.
Body weight, height, absolutely. Then
Blood pressure.
blood pressure.
Also BMI, sir.
BMI is not included here. There is no
Weight
variable as well. Weight
9
is
cigarette
here.
stick.
Yes,
Frequency
number
of
of cigarettes. Okay. Number of how many cigarettes do you smoke daily? Okay. So these are the quantitative variables. And rest of the variables are categorical variables, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you look at the categorical variables carefully, you will see that we have coded them, and the codes are placed into the parentheses. For example, sex, the response could be male, female, okay? If it is male, our code number that we shall use in our data file is M. And if it is a female, we shall use the code F. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for the religion, we have 3 code numbers, 1, 2, 3, okay? Islam, 1 for Islam, 2 for Hindu, 3 for others, like this, okay? So you can see that the variable sex has the code number as an alphabet, as a character, okay? The code numbers of sex is a character. Clear? M and F. While the code numbers for religion is 1, 2, 3. Am I clear?
Yes, sir, but
yes,
so we didn't talk about the age.
Oh, age.
Number.
Okay. I will discuss.
Okay,
Just wait a bit. Let me finish the categorical one. Okay. So,
sorry.
No problem, please. So under sex, we have how many categories?
2.
Male or female?
Female.
Religion, how many categories?
3.
3.
Three
Okay.
categories.
Okay. In statistics, commonly, they call it level. L-A-V-E-L. Okay. So we will say that the sex has 2 levels. Religion has 3 levels. Okay. So if I say level, it means it has that number of categories. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. And for the quantitative variables, for example, you see age, blood pressure, body weight, blah, blah, blah. We have kept it open, okay? We have kept it open. Open means you will ask the person, what is your age? He or she might say, okay, I'm 20, I'm 21, 25. So just write it there. Okay.
Okay.
You could categorize age, for example, say less than 20 years, 20 to 30 years, 31 to 40 years, like this. Okay? Okay, have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me insert a file. So you could categorize. Sorry, there might have a spelling mistake because I will have to type very fast. Could age into maybe say less than 20, say 20 to 29, then say 30 to 39, etc. Right? You could do it. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And you could put code number, say 1 is less than 20, 2 is 20 to 23, 3 is this, okay?
Yes,
You
sir.
could do it like this. Fine?
Sir,
Yes.
can we make irregular, the range is variable with variable range, the category with the variable range?
Yes, it can be. For example, it depends on the objective. For example, say, suppose you are working with infants, okay?
Yes.
And you want to see what kind of problems the infants have say during last 1 year. Infants means they are within last 1 year, okay? So in that case, it is very much logical to categorize them, say 0 to 28 days, okay? Is it meaningful?
Yes.
Because they are the neonates. This is a very special category, okay? Then you could classify them, okay, depends, say 29 days up to 1 year, okay? So the categories are not of equal length. Okay, have you got it? Have you got it?
Yes, please.
Sir.
So I give you another example. Suppose you are working at a hospital and your objective is to see the mortality after acute heart attack. Okay. So mortality is highest within first 24 to 48 hours. Sorry, there is a cardiologist. So am I correct or not? Please correct me.
Yeah, you're correct.
Okay. And suppose your plan is to follow them up for 1 month. Okay. So it would be very logical to classify it. Say number of deaths within 48 hours, right? Then 48 hours to 7 days, and after 7 days. It's very much logical. So we can also use such kind of logics. Okay, but for the variables which does not have such kind of, characteristics, then you can use a general principle. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember that when I transform age into such kind of ranges, then it becomes a categorical variable, because then you will be counting how many people were in this age group. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But for your information, if we collect data with pre-decided range, you see like this, we pre-decided range, then it's not that good, because at the end of data collection, if I tell you what was the mean age, you cannot say. Can you say what would be the mean age if I collect data like this?
No, sir.
What is the standard deviation? You cannot tell. So remember that it is always better to collect the raw data. That's why I have kept the quantitative variables open so that we can collect the raw data. If we have the raw data, we have the computer. We can categorize them in any way, okay? In any way you can categorize them. But if you collect data by prefixed categorization, then it would limit your data analysis and handling of data. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can see that we have the quantitative variables that I have kept them open so that we can get the raw data. Okay, fine. So these are the two types of variables. And again, another issue is, if you, perhaps most of you know the measurement scales, okay? Data that we collect can be, classified based on their measurements. So they are nominal measurement scale. We call it a scale of measurements, okay? Nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale and ratio scale. Nominal and ordinal scales are the categorical variables, okay? For example, nominal variable, if I call it variable, nominal variables are the variables, the levels of which can for example, if I say religion, Islam, Hindu, Christian, Buddhist, if I tell you, can you arrange them according to an order? Is it possible?
No.
If I ask you, for example, what are the patients you have seen in the OPD today? So you will say that, okay, I have seen peptic ulcer diseases, I have seen diarrhea, I have seen ARI, I have seen cirrhosis of liver. But if I tell you, can you arrange them according to an order? Can you do it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. No order.
Okay. But somebody may say that, yes, we can make an order, but based on the number, that is based on the frequency, but not based on the measurement. Okay? You
Yes,
can
sir.
say that, okay, we have seen most of our cases were peptic ulcer. So you can say that we can arrange them, but that arrangement is based on frequency, based on number of patients. I did not say number of patients. I did say that what are the patients you have seen. That's why we cannot arrange them according to an order. The other variables, we can arrange them according to order. For example, severity of anemia, okay? Mild, moderate, severe. So we can arrange them according to an order, correct?
Yes.
sir.
We can also arrange, for example, severity of headache, okay? Stage of cancer, stage 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can arrange them according to order. Those variables we call ordinal variables. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sometimes we can say like income is ordinal or quantitative income level.
Okay. Okay. Sometimes it can be ordinal, but the thing is that most of the cases, the categorical variables are either nominal or ordinal. For example, say I have said age, okay, less than 20, 20 to 29, 30 to 39. So we can arrange them according to order. Can we?
Yes,
Yes,
but
sir.
sir, can we say
But-
1 to
Yes, sir.
20?
Yes, okay.
You can
But
say 1 to 20?
yes, but the thing is that they are actually categories, okay? It's no longer a quantitative variable, okay? But if
Okay.
we have the quantitative variable, actually quantitative variables we prefer to classify as interval scale or ratio scale, okay? In
Okay, sir.
interval scale, we do not have a meaningful zero. Okay, for example, if I say today the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, does it mean that there is no temperature?
No, it is temperature.
No.
0 is
There
temperature.
is.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I have taken an examination in anatomy now. So my score would be 0. Fine. Dr. Umar is very likely, right? I will get 0. Dr.
Sorry,
Umar?
sorry, sir.
I'm telling that if I take an examination of anatomy in your class, so I will get 0, right? Because I have forgotten everything. But does it mean that? But does it mean that I don't know any anatomy? I know
no, you
some.
know, but you may not remember.
Now, even though I don't remember means I don't know. The questions that you said, I do not know. Okay, maybe I know something else. I know there are 2 eyes. So this is anatomy. Okay, there is a cornea.
Yes, sir.
Which is transparent. So I know some anatomy, but it does not mean that if I take a test and if I score 0, it does not mean that I do not know anything. Okay? Clear? So such variables are called interval scale of measurement or interval variables. And last one is the ratio scale. In ratio scale, there is a meaningful 0. If you ask me how much money do you have in my pocket, if I say 0, what does it mean? I don't have any money, right? I don't have any money, okay? So it has meaningful 0. In SPSS, we shall see later that we use these 2 types of measurement, interval and ratio scale together. Just remember it, okay? All right. Now, so questionnaire, what are the categorical, what are the continuation, coded and uncoded. So you already know the coded and uncoded questions, right?
Yes.
Right? Everybody knows because we have discussed it today also in the last class. Okay, so what I say is that if the code numbers are alphabets or characters, right? We call them string variables. Okay, if our code number is an alphabet, then we call it a string variable. Okay, if our code numbers are numeric or numbers, then we call it numeric variable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
can
sir.
you identify which are the string variable and which are the numeric variables in our questionnaire?
Sex.
Sex is what?
The string.
A string, okay. So sex is a string variable. Then there is no other string variable in our questionnaire, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
and
sir.
others are numeric variables.
Numeric variables.
Yes.
Okay. So remember that for data analysis, it is always better to have the numeric variables. Okay. These can be easily manipulated during analysis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So try to avoid the string variables as much as possible. Okay. However, sometimes you may get data from your friends or colleagues or from other sources where you may see that some of the variables are string variables. Okay. Fine. But if you generate your own data, my suggestion would be to create the numeric variables. That is, always use the numbers as your code number. Okay, just remember it. Okay, now open your SPSS program, double clicking the SPSS icon. Please open the SPSS program. Okay, before opening it, let's just discuss a little bit more. The first job before we develop a data file is to give a short name for each of our question. Okay? Give a short name of each of our variable in the study. Clear? What did I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
first job is we have to select a short name for each of the variable in our questionnaire. So this is the first job. You can give any name for your variable, whatever you like. You can give any name of your variable, like Q1, say question 1, V1, variable 1, or you can even write 6. You can write religion directly, so no problem. You can give any name, but it has to be unique. Unique means the SPSS cannot take two same names for two variables. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. However, for writing the short name of the variable, we have to follow certain rules. Okay, we have to follow certain rules. For example, a variable name cannot begin with a number. Okay, for example, you cannot write one question. No, but you can write question 1. Clear?
Okay, okay, sir.
And the variable name must begin with a character, with an alphabet. Okay? That can be
Yes, sir.
uppercase, lowercase, or even mix. You can use mixed name, upper lower combination. You can use simply the lowercase letters. You can also use uppercase letters to write the variable name. Okay? You cannot include some special things. You cannot include stop. For example, say NO means number, stop cigarette means number of cigarette. So you cannot use a stop. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you use these things, computer will not take, computer will reject. Okay, we shall see it. You cannot also use space. For example, I want to say systolic BP, systolic space BP. No, the computer will not take. You cannot give any space. So if you want to write systolic BP, write systolic BP together without any space. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you cannot also use certain symbols like @ question mark, mu, okay? This is lambda, star mark. You cannot use them as the variable name, okay?
Yes, sir.
And SPSS has got some commands. Actually, these are the SPSS commands. And these commands cannot be a variable. Computer will not take, like all, and, by, EQ, okay? Like this. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So if you face any problem, look at the book. These things have been written on page number on page number 6, okay? On page number 6. So you will find it on page number 6 at the top. Okay, fine. Now, okay. You see string variable, numeric variable, I have already discussed. Okay, fine. Now let us go to SPSS program. Please open your SPSS program. Have you opened the SPSS program?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So do you see something like this?
Yes, sir.
So do you see my computer screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
you see something like this, right? So
Yes, sir.
actually there are two windows. You see, one is at the front, one is at the behind, okay? Just close the window in front of you, clicking at this button. Just click here and close it. Okay, click here and close it. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Well, remember that this course is a hands-on training course. It means that I will do, you will also do with me so that you can actually learn by doing. Okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at the lower left corner. Lower left corner. You see that there are two tabs. One is data view, another is variable view. Can you see this here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Variable view and data view. So if we are in variable view. I am in variable view. Okay. So just click on variable view. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Click on variable view. So you will see the screen that you are seeing on my computer. Okay. Can you see this on your computer? Same
Yes.
thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If somebody does not see it, click on variable view. If you click on data view, it looks like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if you are in the variable view, it looks like this. It looks like a spreadsheet that we see in MS Excel. Correct?
Excel. Yeah.
Yes. So it looks like this. So in the variable view, and at the top row, you can see that there are several things already written. One is name, type, wide, decimals, level, values, missing, column, align, measure, and roll. Okay? Fine.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is the window where we define our variables. Before data entry, we need to define our variables one by one. Okay, one by one. So, yes.
স্যার এই পেজটা স্যার আপনি কিভাবে এনেছেন স্যার
অটোমেটিক আসবে তো
স্যার আমি স্যার আসলে আনতে পারছি না
কেন ওটা তো অটোমেটিক আসবে তো সবারই if your SPSS program is a problem, then you may not see it. But it will come automatically. I did not do anything. Just open the SPSS, then I am here. Just open the SPSS, you will be here. Okay. Maybe your program is not installed properly. Kibriya,
In the
can
bottom, There is data view, there is variable view.
Yeah, place the variable view. Click the variable view.
Click on variable view. Okay, should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is our first variable?
Yes.
Age. What short name do you want to use for age? I said that you shall have to select a short name. You can use any name, age, okay? So type age, okay. Click on the box just below the name in row number 1. You can see this is the row number 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, okay? Click on the empty box under the name at row number 1. Okay, have you clicked it? Clicked on it? So now type age, just like this. Type age, okay? You can write in capital letter, you can write in lowercase, no problem. You can also write mixed. Say you can write big A, then G, then small g, small a, no problem. Okay, but if you write it like this, for example, if you write it, you see one age, okay? So I have started my variable with a number, right? Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
So now I enter. You see computer will not take it. You see computer does not take it. Computer has given the message. Variable name contains an illegal first character. Okay. So it will automatically recheck. So write age. Am I clear? Then enter.
Yes, sir.
Enter.
Yes, sir.
Just enter. So you see the computer has by default put something under other headings. Okay, you see, under other, automatically computer has put some, something under this. So, okay, so the age. Now the question is, age is a quantitative variable, right?
Yes.
Right.
And what data we shall have 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is a numeric variable, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So under the type, it is already written numeric. So don't do anything. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now go to wide. We can see it is 8. Again, it is by default. Okay. Say your study population is women at reproductive age. So the age range would be from what to what?
15 to 49.
15 to 49. So how many characters does it require to write the age? Koita number lagbe likhte. How many digits do we need to write age?
2.
2. Actually, whites indicate that one. Okay, suppose if you want to write age in months, then maybe you need 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But for simplicity, don't do anything here. If there is 8, there is no problem. Don't change it. Okay?
Okay.
Can you please repeat once? I have network problem and I missed.
Okay, the thing is that white don't change it. It is 8, just keep it like this. It indicates how many characters that we need for this variable. So just keep it 8, it's okay. But if you want to reduce it, you can delete it by pushing the delete button of your keyboard, then write whatever you like, okay? Or you can use this arrow. Huh?
Up and down.
Yes. So if it was 8, if you want to reduce it, you see you can reduce. Otherwise, you can also increase it. Okay. So
Okay.
just my suggestion is don't do anything which is not necessary. Okay. Have you got
Okay,
it?
sir.
So keep
Yes,
it
sir.
8. Now decimal points. For example, I have said that our data is from women at reproductive age. So we usually collect the age in full, right? There is no decimal, means there is no point, like say 15.3, 15.5, like this. Okay? In Bangla, kuno doshomik nai arki. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to collect the age of the individual, perhaps you will collect the age without any decimal point, right?
Yes, sir.
So for example, your body weight in kg, you need to have the decimal point, right?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, you have to decide whether I will use 1 decimal point, 2 decimal point, 3 decimal point, etc. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. For age, we do not have any decimal point. So you can make it 0 like this, or you can keep it like this, does not matter. Okay, even if it is like this, there is no problem. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So keep it like this for time being.
Okay.
Then is level. Okay, age, looking at the variable, we can easily understand it is age. Okay, suppose if I use V1 as my variable name, then would you understand what does it mean by V1?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So this is the space where you will specify the variable name. So here under the level, I will write age of the respondent. Or you can simply write age, that's it. Okay, say age in years.
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Here under the level, you can use anything, space, dot, then symbols, whatever you like, no problem. Okay. So this
Yes,
is for this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So let me change it. If you want to change it, just click on it and overwrite age. Okay. Then it would age overwrite. Okay. Then it's all right. Then entire. Okay. Have you got it?
Yes,
Age
sir.
in years. Then come values. Forget about values for time being. We shall say subsequently. Now missing. Missing means, suppose you are taking an interview of a woman. So you are asking, what is your age? She said that, no, I am not going to tell my age. So what would you do? What did you do on the questionnaire?
The missing letter.
No, my question is on the questionnaire, what would you write? You are
No.
not in SPSS, huh?
No response.
No response. Okay, you can write no response, or you may keep it blank. Okay, correct? On the questionnaire, you may keep it blank. However, if you keep it blank, it may mean two things. Maybe you have forgotten to collect the information, or maybe the person did not tell you. Okay? Whatever it may be. If nothing is written, then it is better to generate a missing value, to give a missing value. Okay? Missing value should be a value which is not within the data range. For example, as I said, that we want to collect data from the women at reproductive age. So reproductive age, we know, or you will define that the women who are between 15 and 49 years of age. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So missing value would be a value which is less than, either less than 15 or more than 49.
49.
Okay. If we use a missing value in between 15 and 49, then you are in problem because that's a valid value. So missing value should be a value which is not valid, outside the data range. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to decide what missing value do you want to select for age. So what missing value should we select for age? What
Is it
missing
50?
value? Huh? How much?
Like 50.
50, no problem. You can use 50. Okay. Any other suggestion?
9.
9, no problem. The thing is that it has to be less than 15 or it has to be more than
49.
More than 49. So to put
Sir,
the missing...
how did we say that range less than 15 or greater than 49? How did we manage that limit?
এতক্ষণ কি বললাম?
Sorry, sir, নেটওয়ার্কের খুব প্রবলেম মাঝে মাঝে।
আমরা বললাম না রিপ্রোডাক্টিভ এজের
ও
কত?
জি 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 স্যার।
শুনেছেন তো?
ওকে স্যার।
ঠিক আছে? So click on this 3 dot button. Okay? Click on this 3 dot button. Click করেন. Please click on this 3 dot button. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
So we see this dialog box. Okay? Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Select this one, discrete missing values. Click here, discrete missing values. Click here, select this one. Done?
Done.
Okay. Now click in the box at the left. Okay?
Okay.
Write your missing value, whatever you select. Okay? So what should we select?
Sir,
Somebody.
sir, can you write less than
14.
15? More than 49. Can
14.
you write this?
Yes, 14 you can write. You can write 50, no problem. But the thing is that, remember that, you know, if you write 50 or 14, how many times do you need to push the keyboard? How
Twice.
many times? Twice, right?
Twice.
So why shall I push it twice? I can select a single digit value.
9.
Much better. Have you got my point?
Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, because
So it's not important any value beyond the range we can put.
yes,
So
this is
it's a
the
single
ideal
digit.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the thing is that if you push twice, so unnecessary. Okay, we can do it by a single push. So However, so somebody said 9. Okay, let us select 9. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But the thing is that the people who are using SPSS, I do not know why they have liking on 9. Commonly, people are using 9 or multiples of line, like 99, 999, like this. Only advantage is that if we use the similar numbers, then it is easier to understand the missing values. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So click OK. Click OK. Okay. Click OK. Fine. So you see, I have written 9, but it shows 9.00, correct?
Yes.
Because here there are 2 decimal points, okay?
Yes, sir.
So if you make it 0, it would be 9. Have you seen it? Now it's 9, okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But you don't need to change it. 9.00 and 9 is the same, okay? So
Okay.
this is the only change. Fine. Then is column, okay? Column indicates it is again 8, okay? Column is 8. How many characters are there in age? 1, 2, 3, right? 3. SPSS allows you to use up to 64 characters to write the variable name. Clear?
Clear.
Up
Yes.
to 64 characters. However, commonly we see that 8 is enough, okay? Commonly 8 is enough, okay?
Yes, sir.
So we don't need to change it, okay? Okay?
Yes.
However, if your variable name is more than 8, then just increase it, pushing at the upper arrow, okay? Otherwise, you don't need to do anything. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alignment, computer will take care of it. Don't do anything. Okay?
Okay.
And the measurement. Now here the measurement. Measurement, I said age is a what kind of variable in terms of measurement?
Nominal.
Scale
No,
variable.
it is in ratio scale. Can
This
you
is scale,
see?
sir.
It is, sorry. It is a ratio scale, okay? Income, age, blood sugar, etc. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
So if the measurement is either interval or ratio, in SPSS, we shall select scale. Okay? We shall select scale if it is a interval or if it is in interval or ratio scale. Okay, clear?
Yes.
You don't need to do anything under input. Okay, in the older versions, you will not find it. Fine?
Yes,
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So we have defined age, our first variable. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we shall define the second variable. So click at
Sir,
row number 2 under name, please. কোনো সমস্যা নেই।
আচ্ছা।
No problem.
Started again.
You record, no problem. Show 6, write 6, enter. So you see computer is showing it as numeric, right?
Right.
But is it numeric?
No.
It is a what type of variable?
String variable.
A string variable. So we need to change it. Okay. So we need to change it. To change it, click on this 3-dot box. Click. Click Karen. Click. Done. Have you done it? Have you done it? Click on it. So do you see this box?
Yes, sir.
So you see at the bottom, there is a string. Select it. Here. Do you see it? Everybody?
Yes.
Please.
So select the string, okay. Okay, click on okay. Okay. Okay, have you done it? Everybody?
Yes.
So, okay, right? So now you can see it is a string, okay? Okay.
Yes, please.
Now, why I say that don't do anything here, correct?
Yes, sir.
For decimals, you see it is automatically 0 because it's a string variable. We don't need decimal point, right? So we don't need to do anything here. Okay. So level, you just write 6. We understand what is 6, but still you write 6. Okay.
Yes, please.
Now, you see previously we did not do anything under the values. Did we do anything under age?
No, sir.
Nothing. Okay. Remember that we need to do something under the value if the variable is coded. Okay, so 6 is a coded variable, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whenever the variable is coded, then we need to put the values. Values means code numbers or characters of the code. We need to put it here. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is important. Okay. Now click again on 3-dot box. Click. So we are here. Right? So are we here?
Yes.
Okay. So what are the codes of this variable M and F?
F.
And they are small f and small m, correct?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So write small m in the value box. Write small m. Have you done it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now click on the box, in the box level. Okay, click on the box level. Write M. M indicates what? M indicates?
Male.
Male. So write male here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Click on add, add, add. Click on add. Click on add. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then write F in the box value, F. Then in the label box, write female.
Female.
Okay. Then again add. Then again add. Have you done it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. Then click on okay. Have you done it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Click okay. Click okay. Okay. Do you want to do okay? So let me okay. So I did it. Fine. It's okay. It's all right. Everybody all right? Everybody is okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now come to missing. So you can put a missing value here as well, if you like. Okay. Have you got it? Have you got it?
Yes, please.
If you want, suppose sometimes this may happen that actually while interviewing, the interviewer did not mark it. Okay, did not mark it. In that case, that should be considered as a missing value. Okay. Okay, it's all right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So click on this 3-dot box, just like before. Select discrete and put 9. No problem. Put 9. Okay. Is it okay? Then click on OK. Have you done it? Everybody has done it. Everybody has done it. সবাই করেছেন?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, others?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So you have done it. Very good. Fine. Okay. Then I said you don't need to do anything here under the column, right? You don't need to do here because computer will take care of it. Okay. And under the measurement, sex is a nominal variable, right?
Yes, sir.
So computer has already written nominal. If it is not, just click here. You can change it. Okay. So nominal is all right. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Now the third variable.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, Colin.
স্যার আমি কিন্তু মিসিং ভ্যালুতে মানে আমার যদি ডাটাতে কোনো মিসিং ভ্যালু না থাকে
মিসিং ভ্যালুতে 9 দিলেই হবে। এখানে জাস্ট ক্লিক ইন দিস 3-dot box, select this one, write 9 in this box, in the left box, just okay. Click on okay.
স্যার যাচ্ছি যে আমি যদি মিসিং ভ্যালু না থাকে তাহলে কি আমার
সমস্যা নাই। কোনো সমস্যা নেই, কোনো সমস্যা নেই. If you do not give missing value, no problem. We will discuss later on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We will discuss later on. I will tell you what to do. Okay. Now what is the third variable?
Religion.
So what short name do you want to use?
RELG.
Okay, RELG.
LG.
Okay. Now, can you do the whole thing now? Try. Okay. Complete it. You will have to do it like 6. Okay.
Yeah.
So please do it.
So in values, it will have 3, right?
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
IHO, like that.
Which one? What is IHO?
Values. I mean,
value.
I for Islam, H for Hindu.
Why? Who is talking?
This is Dr. Najmul talking.
No.
So number 1, 2, 3.
Please,
1, 2, 3.
please look at our code numbers on the questionnaire. That is what we shall be using.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Missed it.
Always.
Right.
So it would be 1, 2, and 3.
3, right.
Done.
Done? Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. Let us see somebody else whether they could do it or not. Dr. Umar.
In measure, it will be nominal again.
So what is the type of this variable? What do you think?
Numeric. Oh, this will be scale, sir. No. No scale.
Religion, by nature, it is a nominal variable.
Yes, nominal. I said nominal first.
So, yes.
Done.
So it should be nominal.
Yes.
Oh, very good. Very good.
Yes, sir, I have done, sir.
Oh, what about the, okay, this is nominal. Okay, so you have also done it, nominal. Okay, fine. So very good. So what have you written under level?
Religion.
Okay. Then under values, clicking here. So 1 is Islam. Right? Very good. And okay. 2 is Hindu. 3 is
others.
Okay. 3 is others. Okay. 3 is others. And okay. Fine. So done. So missing value, have you put any missing value?
Yes, I put 9.
9. Okay, you could put 9. No problem. Fine. Let us use the missing value for time being, then we shall see what else we can do. Then now, the thing is that, so can you do the next variable?
Yes, we can, but just before going there, in the others data, there was specify. Do we have to do anything for that?
Which one?
In religion, the others, and then we have specify within bracket.
Okay. I think it's a good question. Suppose the thing is that in others, you found that somebody said they are Buddhists. Somebody said they are Christians. Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to put them separately, then you have to put the code numbers for each of them. Have you got my point?
Okay. Yeah.
Otherwise, you cannot do it. Actually, when do we do it? Occasionally, you will see that while analyzing the data, you will see that, okay, Islam, say 20%, okay, Hindu, suppose 30%, others 50%. Then you may have a curiosity, who are the others which comprise of 50%, okay? But if others is 1%, 2%, 5%, we don't bother. Have you got my point?
Yeah. But if we put the others like Christians and Hindus, then the others category will remain, or that we have to give up that?
No, then we don't need to give the others. Then we are specifying it already.
So then
right?
3 will be Christians, 4 will be Buddhists,
Yes,
like that.
exactly.
There will be no others. And
Exactly.
or even, yeah, okay.
Exactly.
Or maybe some.
Exactly. Even after that, you see that only a few cases are also there. They said that
Others,
we don't have any religion, put them as others.
That will be others, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Fine, very good. So can you do the next occupation?
Yes.
Occupation, okay. Do it.
We name it OCCU.
Okay, no problem. Then just do it.
It's a string.
It is better to select numeric because we are using numbers as our code. Have you got my point?
Yeah.
But you are right. Basically, it is a string variable. Okay.
So in case of religion, we also use numbers. So that
yes, absolutely. So it's numeric. It is already numeric on my computer. You should also select numeric, not string. Have you got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this is all right. Here we know what to do, values under the values, right?
Sir.
Yes.
Occupation, may we say like it's ordinal or it will be
Only.
nominal?
Sorry. Once again.
Somehow, may we say like occupation is like ordinal or nominal?
What do you think?
I think like somehow it's nominal, somehow it's ordinal.
So why do you think it is ordinal?
Because somehow, if we are looking like this guy socioeconomically, what job is doing?
Do you know?
Somehow it will be like ordinal.
Do you know in USA, Canada, Australia, plumbers are earning more than a doctor?
Yes, sir.
So how would you classify them? It is not the income, okay? We are not considering the income. It is the profession, okay? Not the matter of earning. So it is a nominal variable.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So have you done it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Everybody has done it. Okay. Now please skip income. Now construct the variable for body weight. Okay. Body weight. Skip income. After occupation, use body weight.
Shall we use row 5 for body weight or skip row 5 as well?
No, row 5. That's why I am telling.
For body weight.
Body weight, yes. Body weight. Say I have written BW. Whatever you like, you write. Body.
Sir, as monthly income.
ওইটা বাদ দিয়ে body weight.
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে।
Okay, done.
Done. Okay, very good. Have you put anything under value?
No, sir.
No, nothing.
Okay. So I wanted to be sure. What missing value have you used?
9. Same as before.
9. Okay, it depends. Okay, whether you will use 9 or 99 or something else depends on your data, because you know your data. If you are collecting data, say for example, from under 5 children, then maybe 9 is not appropriate. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So if you are collecting data from adults, then maybe it is appropriate, right?
Right.
However, suppose you are collecting data from adults. You have written your missing value 99. Okay, 99. Assuming that you may not have any subject whose body weight is 99 kg. Am I clear?
Mm-hmm.
But when you started data, you found that, oh, there are a few cases whose body weight is more than even 99. Okay?
Okay.
So in that case, just change it again, no problem. Change it, come here, put it 999. Okay? Fine.
So the missing value which we put here should be beyond the range of our values.
Yes, that is what I have said earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, so just change it again. There is no problem. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now you see we have skip income. Okay, which was supposed to be before body weight. Okay, you can write the variable income below the body weight. In that case, what could be the problem? If I write my variable income after body weight, what could be the problem? Can you guess anything?
Sir, it may be when in SPSS, then it will be a problem.
While entering data, there may be mistakes.
Exactly. The person who will enter data, actually, he does not look at the question. He just looks at the numbers, okay, and push the button. So if the chronology is broken, the data entry could be, a problem. Therefore, always try to maintain the chronology. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes.
Now, you see, now we have already written here. Now we need to put monthly income before body weight, right?
Right.
but how to do it? So that's why I told you to skip it. Okay? Click on this row at 5. Click. Have you clicked it?
Yeah.
Everybody, click the right button of your mouse. Click the right button of your mouse. Okay, have you done it?
Yes.
Yes.
You see there is an option, insert variable. Just select it. Okay. You can see that there is a space above the body weight. Have you done it?
Yes.
So you see, we can see that there is a space and it is written.
Can you do it again, sir?
I'm doing it very slowly.
Sorry, sir, missed it.
Right click, then select insert variable. Okay. Then you see the computer is showing VAR 00001, right?
5.
Okay, 5, whatever it may be. Computer has given a variable name because SPSS cannot keep it blank. Okay, have you got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now we shall replace this variable. Just click on it, type the income, Done. Okay, then do the other things. So here it is, monthly income. Okay, we don't need values. Okay, for monthly income, you can select a missing value, maybe 9 taka, which may not be possible. Okay. Income is a scale variable, right?
Yes, sir.
Income is a scale variable. Now you see for income, do you hear me, everybody?
Yes, sir.
For income, sometimes you say some of the students are asking me, say if we interview the mothers, say in our country, most of the women are actually housemaker or housewife. They don't have any income, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, their income is 0. If you want to get the individual's income, their income is 0. But if you want to collect the family income, then it is different. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So you can use the missing value, appropriate missing value, maybe say 9, if it is family income. Okay. 9. Okay. So you know how to insert a variable. Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Is it all right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Alternative way, suppose you have forgotten how to insert it. Okay? Okay, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to bring body weight above income, body weight before income, have you got it? Click on this row on 6, okay? Have you done it? Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Just drag it up. That's all. Okay. Just drag it up. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
So let me make the chronology again. So it's all right. Now, I want to tell you another thing. You see, you notice that on the questionnaire, actually, I have another variable, SLNO, serial number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember that, don't forget to give a serial number. This is very, very important. Okay. Suppose you have collected 200 data, and on the data sheet, you should write the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay. And you should also you should also generate a variable on serial number. Okay. This is helpful to identify the respondent if you find any problem in the data. Okay. So the serial number should go before age, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can you put serial number before age now?
Yes.
Okay, do it. Please do. Let me see how many can do it.
But sir, if we put one number in front of age, that will be invalid.
That would, you do it, you try, you see, computer would not take it.
Sir, I don't have in front of me, no, so I can't do it. I'm Uma here. I can't do it.
You don't. Yeah. If you start the variable name with 1, computer will reject it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, computer will not take it.
Today, age 1. One
Age
after
1.
the age.
Yes. Age 1 is okay, no problem.
Okay, sir, done.
Done. Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. So please do it. Just click on 1, click right button, select insert variable. Okay, right button, select insert variable. Then replace this one as SLNO, serial number. So write it serial number. We don't need to do anything. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So hope you can do the rest of the things except question number 8. Question number, okay. Do you want to, okay, height in centimeter is all right. Do you smoke? Okay. Oh, question number 8. Okay, question number 8. It's simple. We can do it, right? Can you do the question number 8?
Yes,
Variable 8.
Yes, sir, we can do it.
Okay, please do it quickly, within 30 seconds.
Okay, sir.
The value only 1 and 2?
Yes.
The body weight will be scale as well.
Body weight is a scale, of course.
Yes.
We've done it. Question number 9, 8, and 9. Have you done it?
8 done.
Okay, please do the 9. So remember that, for example, can you see my, just a minute, can you see my computer screen, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Please look at my computer screen. You see that? Please, please. Please, question number 9.
There is a underscore. It will not accept.
Yes, underscore will be accepted, but dash, you know the dash. Dash would not be accepted by the SPSS. Okay, you cannot use dash like this. Say num dash figure. You say computer does not accept it. Okay, because if we use dash, the computer thinks that it is minus. Okay, this minus this. That's why it is not acceptable.
Okay.
But you can use underscore. Okay, this is what I want to say. So everybody has done up to 9?
Yes.
Okay. Then for question number 10, what is your blood pressure? As I said on the first day. Yes.
So one question about number of cigarettes.
Okay.
Here the missing number, what should it be? It should be higher.
Yes. What
99. I've given 99. Like
yes.
that.
Yes, you can. You can use.
Because a hair single digit wouldn't work.
Single digit may not be appropriate.
Right. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, fine. Now please go to question number 10. Question number 10, actually we have two variables. One is systolic blood pressure, another is diastolic blood pressure. Clear? Question
Yes,
number
please.
10?
Yes.
Yes, please, sir.
So we shall have to generate two variables. Say, I write, say, sys BP, okay, systolic blood pressure. Huh? This is
yes,
systolic, okay, right? Systolic blood pressure. Say here, you can select 9 because 9 systolic blood pressure is not possible. Okay, and this is a scale. So we should another.
There is some background noise.
Oh, yes, there is. I do not know where it is coming from. So if I think it's coming, okay, I think if somebody mutes his speaker, okay, now it's okay. BP, diastolic BP, okay. diastolic BP. Here again, we can put it 9. Put it 9. Okay. And this is the scale. Okay.
Yes.
We've not given any values to this.
Which one?
Diastolic and systolic BP.
Okay, okay. Who is talking, please?
It's Uma, sir.
Uma.
Because that will be scale.
Yes, I said that if the variable does not have any category, we do not need to use value. Okay? So systolic blood pressure is a quantitative variable. It does not have any category. That's why we don't need to give anything under the value.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Have you got my point?
Yes, please.
Okay. Fine. Now, can we stop here? Now save the file. We are saving the file as we do in MS Word. Okay? So, yes, please. বলেন ভালো শোনা যাচ্ছে না, আরেকবার বলেন।
স্যার হাইট।
হ্যাঁ, ওটা বাদ দিয়েছি, ওইটা আপাতত বাদ দিয়েছি, আমরা এইটুকু করি।
ওকে স্যার।
ঠিক আছে।
ওয়েটের লেভেল স্যার, ওয়েটের পরে ওটা কি স্যার ডট হবে?
কোথায়?
লেভেলে
you can write whatever you want, no problem.
Okay, sir.
You can write whatever you like. There is no problem.
Okay,
so,
sir.
How to save the file? Okay. If we save the file like MS Word. Okay, am I clear? So click on File, Save As. Go to Save As. Have you done it? Click on Save As. Click on Save As. Have you done it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So select your folder where you want to save it. Here, look in. Here, if you click here, you can select your folder. Okay. Fine. So if you want to save it on your desktop, from here, go to desktop. You see desktop, select here, okay? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Just like
yes,
MS Word, give a file name here. Say, write test. The file name is test. Then save. Click on save. It will be saved. Okay?
Okay.
Have you done it? Have you saved it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good. Now, okay? Now, let us see. Now, click on data view. Click on data view. Okay, click on data view. Click on data view. Have you done it? Click on data view.
Yes.
Okay, so you see that all the variables has appeared at the top row. Can you see all the variables are here? Okay, so this is the spreadsheet or window where we enter data. Okay.
Right.
Have you got it?
Yes.
Yes, please.
For example, say I have collected one data. So my serial number is 1. So click under serial, push 1. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you push the right arrow or click under age. Say age is 23, so write 23. Okay. Then push the right arrow of your keyboard. Okay. Sex is female. Female. What was our code number?
F.
F. So you have to write F. Remember that.
Sir.
Here, just a minute. Just a minute. Here, it is important whether you are using capital word or a small word, a small letter or capital letter. If the code number is a small letter, you should always use the small letter, lowercase. If it is the uppercase, always use the uppercase. Don't mix it. One uppercase, one lowercase. Don't do this. Okay, is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now who wanted to ask a question?
Sir, I am Asma Firdausi. I have serial, I have kept the serial in the first row, but it's not visible in the data view.
Data view, you have to write it. So first go to data view. Are you in data view?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go to variable view. Have you gone through variable view?
Yes, sir.
So is there any variable at the top? Serial number is there?
Yes.
Then go to data view. It should automatically appear here. You don't need to do anything.
But there is, age is the first.
No, in that case, maybe serial number. If it is there, it should be here.
At the bottom, there is a button.
Maybe the column has been shifted to the left because of the lower bar.
No,
can you see the at the bottom bar and push the column to the it has been hidden under the
yes, you're right.
Okay,
thank
guys,
you.
okay.
Okay, so it should be here. Fine. Now 23F. The religion is Islam. So what should I use?
1.
Okay. Occupation is a housewife. What should I use?
4.
Say family income is 50,000. So write 50,000. Okay.
Okay.
Body weight is 55 kg. So write 55. Okay. She is a non-smoker. So what should I write here?
No. 2.
No, before we have to enter height.
No, we did not. We don't have that variable here. Okay. আমার তো height variable টা নাই, সেজন্য তো আমি লিখতে পারছি না। ওইটা আমরা omit করেছি। ঠিক আছে, just to demonstrate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So smoking, the woman does not smoke. So what code should we use?
2.
We shall use 2. Now, number of cigarette. What should I write?
0.
Missing value.
Here is the problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Never write 0. You should either write your missing value or keep it blank. So keeping it blank is another way without writing the missing value. Okay. Yes, because if you write 0, okay, suppose if I write 0, 0 is a valid number. 0 is a valid number. Then
average counting, yes, that will
exactly. So average would be affected. Okay, so be a little bit careful. Okay, it's all right.
Yes,
so
thank you.
You can keep it blank or write the missing value. I put 99 as my missing value. Say systolic blood pressure 110, this is 85. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. Say I have collected another data. So what would be the serial? It would be 2.
Number 2.
2. So 2. Age is 27. Okay, it is male. So M. Religion is 1. Occupation is business. Business code is 1. Income is 70,000. Okay. Body weight is 65 kg. Smoking, yes. So it is 1. And he smokes 15 cigarettes daily. His blood pressure is 125 and 85. Okay, like this. Okay. So this is how we shall enter data looking at our questionnaire. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
To save the file, just click on this icon, this cat icon. Okay, here, just click here. Save this document. Okay, have you got it?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Fine. So it is very easy. SPSS is very easy. Now please click on variable view. Click on variable view. Click on variable view. Have you done it? Variable view?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you do the last question? 11. Question number 11.
Again, data view, sir, please.
Data view, data view, data view. Here is data view. Data view, we don't have anything to do. No problem. Okay, please go to variable view. Variable view, please define variable for question number 11. Okay. So how will you do it? Just tell me.
Is a multiple choice question in that?
Yes. What do you think? Is it not a multiple choice question?
Yes, sir, it is.
It is, because very likely people have multiple items.
It will be like occupation also, or religion.
No, it will not be like.
Is there a 4 variable? We put 4 variable.
No, no, no. Suppose in that case, say religion.
Oh, these are not mutually exclusive, so there will be.
Yes, exactly. The thing is that here the person may have 1, 2, 3. Then what would you write? Okay. So that's the problem. So here, whenever there is a multiple response question, then we shall have to generate variables for each of the responses separately.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
That means there are 4 responses. We shall have to generate 4 variables. So that is the principle. Like blood pressure, we have 2 variables. Say, let us write, say, LCD TV. Okay, TV. Say it's numeric. Here we write have LCD TV. Okay. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes.
Now the question is, even though we did not put any code numbers for LCD TV, actually it is like this, yes or no, right?
Right.
So you have to generate code numbers. Say 0 for no, 1 for yes. Okay. So click on this 3-dot button right here under the value 0. This is no, and 1 is yes. Okay. 1 is yes. Okay.
We have to take it 0 and 1.
Okay, it's better to. Okay, tell me.
Do you have to take it 0 and 1, or we can take 1 and 2? 1 is yes, 2 is no.
You can take 1 and 2, but I would suggest you to take 0 and 1 because you see, again, it depends on the objective, how you are going to analyze the data. For example, at the end, I want to calculate how many have 3 assets, how many have 4 assets, how many have 5 assets, not 5, maximum is 4, right? So if I want to calculate it, it is better to code it like this, 0 and 1. However, if you want to, give 1 and 2, it's okay. We can also do it. Fine, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So click OK. Here you see in this type of question, say usually people gives a tick mark, right? Suppose the interviewer will ask you, do you have LCD TV at your home? If I say yes, then he will tick it, right?
Yes.
And if I say no, then he will keep it blank, correct?
Yes.
So in that case, you will never understand whether it is missing value or actually I do not have. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, therefore we don't need any missing value here. If somebody does not have anything, we shall put 0 for everything. Okay, so we don't need any missing value, right? So you can use it nominal. Okay. Yes, no. So it is, you see, I think LCD TV. Okay. Then radio. Then radio will also do it like this. Okay. 0 is 1. 1 is yes. Sorry, 0 is no. 1 is yes. Okay. Now, please look at my computer carefully now. Please watch me. What do I do? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this has the same value levels, right? Radio.
Yes, sir.
So click on the previous one, LCD TV. Okay. Have you done it?
Yes.
Click right button, then copy. Click right button, copy. Have you copied it? Select copy. Okay. Now come to the variable radio. Click right button, paste. So it will be here. You don't need to write it again.
Okay.
Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good. Radio, then you come to DVD. I'm writing it DVD. So again, so paste, okay, or you can use Control V like MS Word. And lastly, microwave. Micro, I have just written micro. Save. So have you done it? Everybody has done it?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, shabai korechen, everybody?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
If 0 itself a value and in missing value, if no one has these household assets and we can put it in missing value like 0, then why someone is not smoking?
No. You cannot put 0 here because this is my valid code number. You cannot have a missing value which is valid. Okay. That's why.
Okay.
But for number of smoking, you could define 0 as missing value, no problem, because that is not possible. Okay.
Sir, my question is, if someone is a non-smoker, sir, why can't it be like 0, 0?
Eta to explain korlo na ekjon. It will affect the mean. Okay. If I put 0, it will affect mean. While we shall calculate the mean, 0 would also be counted. That's why.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Fine. So everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
These 4 variables. Now go to data view. Go to data view. Please go to data view. You can see there are additional variables. Okay. Okay. Say my first subject says she has LCD TV. It is 1, but does not have radio. So it is 0. DVD does not have. Microwave, yes. So 1. Like this. Okay. LCD TV, second person says yes. So radio says yes. DVD don't have. 0. Microwave don't have. 0. Like this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so far, any question? Now our data file is generated. Okay. So after defining all the questions, all the variables, then we shall enter our data like this. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any questions so far? Anybody?
No, sir, it's okay so far.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? So if there is no question from anybody, then if you have time, please redo it at home.
Okay. Sure.
Okay,
if
sir.
you find any problem, you can look at the book. Chapter 2. Page number 3, generating data files. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Third thing is that either before generating, it's better to have this after generating the data file. I would suggest to develop a code book. The sample of a code book is given on page number 4. Can you please open your book? Can you please open your book?
Yes.
So can you see the code book table 2.1?
Yes, sir.
So code book is very helpful while analyzing the data. Okay. While you will,
2.1.
2.1, table 2.1. So the code book is very helpful while analyzing your data. Okay, you see in the code book, the code numbers are written. Okay, you know, you have the short variable name. You also have the actual variable name so that you can understand it. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you can, it is better to generate it. Okay. And what else? What else? Let's see, is there anything I have left? So I think that's all. So any question, if you have any question, you can ask me. So try it at home. If you face any problem, that we shall again discuss in the next class at the beginning. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Hope you can do it now.
Yes, sir.
Fine, is it okay? So in that case, let me stop sharing. So if you do not have any question, then should we conclude the session? Dr. Shoibal, do you have any question?
স্যার আমাদের কি করতে হবে স্যার নেক্সট ক্লাসের জন্য আবার একটু যদি রিপিট করেন স্যার খুব ভালো হয়।
Okay, next ক্লাসের জন্য I am requesting you to do the same thing, to develop the data file using this questionnaire at home. It's a practice for you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And if you face any problem while doing it, we shall discuss in the next class at the beginning.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then let me check with somebody else. Dr. Tamanna, apni aschen, are you here?
Yes, sir.